So what's happened is...
Yeah, tell me more.
I think I did in Bali, had a few drinks, and I rested on this ledge to put flowers around a statue.
Okay.
On the Buddha thing.
Yeah.
And I think I've overstretched these muscles in the shoulder.
Okay.
Plus the massage hurt it even more. So down south about a week ago, or 2 weeks ago, I had her, she fixed my neck, and it was a fill-in. Her name's Tracy Chapman. You know, your friend.
Oh, yeah,
yeah, she's very good.
Yeah, she's lovely.
She fixed my neck.
Yeah.
But it's still hurting here.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's that. But I've also got this twinge down the left of my leg here. So that's my regular.
It's very left-sided, isn't it? Today.
That's my regular problem.
Yeah. I'll get you laying on your tummy for me, face down.
So just try and relax. Shoulder's killing me.
Yeah, so how was Bali?
Oh, I don't think I'll go back again.
No.
Don't put that on camera. Well, they had a thunderstorm.
Yeah.
So where we were, down by the fisherman place, there was just broken trees and dirty beach. Then once the sun came out, it was nice.
Yeah.
It's relaxing, but
it is.
I don't know.
Good and bad parts to Bali.
I've been spoiled. I've been to better places.
Yeah, yeah. Bali's just quick and easy.
Fix my little space here.
Go for it. Okay, left leg's super short.
Yeah.
More than 10 mil. It's still short there. So we've got a misalignment through the pelvis again. Lift your right leg up for me from your hip. I keep the leg straight. Yep, from the hip. That's it. Back down. And the left side. And back down. And the right side. Down and left. And back down. Good.
Yeah, now that I'm lying flat, I do feel wonky.
Yeah. I'm just working on rotating that pelvis. Add a bit of a drop to that. Good. What's better? But we still need to manually adjust it too.
Yeah. I'm going to get rid of all that hollow, and my ribs are so tight.
Yeah, I'm feeling
on the
that.
left side.
Too much relaxing by the pool in Bali.
Oh, the masseuse, I had them come to the house, she was crying all over me.
Oh.
And she was amazing, but I got really sick the day afterwards.
After the massage?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Had the chills and everything. So obviously I had a lot of toxins.
Yeah, a bit of toxin release. Open up those hips.
My youngest has gone back, started high school today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's good.
Back to school.
I've only got one more to go tomorrow and then I'm free.
Yeah, yeah. So they were all in high school? All your kids?
All in high school now.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
So good. No more making lunches.
No, well this year I said we're budgeted for canteen every day.
Oh yeah.
As long as they just buy the $5 burger, we'll be right.
Yeah.
Because they like to add on the other little specialties.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. Oh, that's such a good thing. I'm no more making lunch boxes and washing those stupid lunch boxes.
Alright, let's get you on your side, facing this way for me.
And my eldest is driving, so that's even better.
Ah, nice. Okay, let's bring the shoulders forward, relax the head and the headrest, this leg up. Should bring this arm around this way today. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice. Good, okay, and the other side for me.
Didn't move, did it?
No.
Didn't like need another visit.
Yeah, yours can be pretty stubborn.
Well, this always happens.
Yeah.
I come in when I'm all...
Actually bring that one up this way. Breathing in and breathing out. tightest back in all the lands.
Oh, no.
Sitting up for me.
It's because we've been watching that show, The Leftovers. Have you been watching that on binge?
No.
It's so crazy, you just can't stop watching it.
Come down this way a bit further and stop there, arms across. We'll try and go really low with this one to try and get that same segment adjusted. So hunch forward as far as you can. Breathing in and breathing out. That's better. Breathing in and breathing out. Oh, lovely.
Oh, that was a ripper.
Got both of them. So.
That was holding on, wasn't it?
It
That
was.
was causing my ribs.
Yeah. Arms across again for me. And breathing in, breathing out. Head back, drop. Good. Okay. And facing that way.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's
What
good.
about his arm? Can you do something with his arm?
Yeah, what's going on with that? That's right there.
I don't know, I've got bursitis from crawling on that ledge.
Let's bring that shoulder forward.
Oh,
Nice.
that felt good. Was that my wrist?
Yeah. That was the shoulder.
I'm blaming the new handbag. I said to my husband, I only have light handbags because I've got a sore back, but he's got this big monstrosity, I've got to use the thing.
Oh, the handbags, they're a problem. Some of the ones I see come in here.
Well, looking back, those heavy school bags were always on this shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what the kids tend to do. We learn as we grow up there, don't we?
Well, you got no choice. With pain, then you got to go to a chiropractor.
That's true. Breathing in, lean back and up. Okay. Relax your arms for me. Good work. And then laying your back for me.
Oh, are you going to pull my legs?
Yep.
I like when you do that.
Let's do it all.
Oh,
That was big.
I don't think Tracy quite got that net, did she?
No.
She's good. She's very good.
She is very good. Yeah. No, we went through the same year level actually at uni. She's lovely.
She's a full bottle on trivia.
Yeah. Nice. Very good. I think she would have loosened it up for me. Makes much better.